Good morning, welcome to my Real Estate Mates Daily Update. My name is Cameron Clark. Well, it seems this week it's all about negative gearing and immigration affecting affordable housing. Bob Carr came out this morning to say that immigration is making housing unaffordable. Well, it's also the fact that a lot of these states are retaining their populations, Bob. So we've had 190,000 people in 2015 immigrate to Australia, and based on that number and of course birth rate projections, Sydney actually will require by 2022 309,000 additional households, and Melbourne an additional 355. So that is actually not even taking into consideration the divorce rate and so forth. So housing, dwelling size and the building of medium density is certainly going to be in the spotlight for a couple of years to come. Now, negative gearing, it is unbeknownst to us why it's such a big issue. We have not dealt with any client in the past year, and we have 5,000 from that in 2015 that has actually bought a property with the specific strategy for tax benefit, which of course is what negative gearing is all about. It is simply a rental yield return play and potential for capital growth. So the capital gains tax, similar to buying property in your self-managed super fund, should frankly just be left alone and give that a wide berth. Talking about household and dwelling size and success in the middle and outer ring, Villa World Limited, which is a Queensland-based property development company, had a very good net profit of 20 million and bolstered really by a healthy Queensland market and strengthening sales in the west of Victoria, including their Eynesbury project that they've got there. Industrial sales are very closely following behind commercial property results in 2015, with 37% of total industrial sales being bought by foreign buyers. So a very big healthy percentage, and with the Australian dollar currently where it's at, that 37% you would think would be way up into 50% by mid to late 2016. Continuing with the theme of downsizers wanting 3-bedroom stock and a lack thereof, very important news out of 34 Eastern Road, South Melbourne, of course, that they've actually sold all of their 3-bedroom stock north of 1.5 million prior to selling out of the 2-bedroom and 1-bedroom stock there. Again, close proximity to Parkland, being adjacent to Albert Park Lake and Albert Park there is very much a bonus. We will be launching Port Melbourne development site, West Melbourne as well, and we have another South Melbourne project coming up in 3 weeks' time, so certainly very busy, and that is the news today. Have a wonderful day, and we shall see you tomorrow. Cheers.